Hello everybody, we got a 2019 Buick Regal. We're programming a new key for the customer. Just to show you a few things, if the battery ever dies in your fob and you're not able to start the car by pushing the button, it'll say no key detected because your battery's dead. Simply open this compartment here, obviously, slide it back and lay it right there. As you can see, there's a little key logo right there. So that reads the key physically if you don't have a battery in it. And then simply put your foot on the brake and start the car. Okay, so that's the slot right there for a Buick Regal in case you don't have any battery. Thanks for watching, guys.